Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I will be showing you how I was able to paint the Kawasaki's Ninja 650 2021, and also you wanna see my new project in action. I am very happy rebuilding this motorcycle. The rebuilding series coming soon. The 2022 Ducati Panigale V4. And also here I have the BMW F900R. So the work is also in progress because there is a lot of problems with parts. There is no parts for those motorcycles. So I am waiting here for the wheel and for the gauge and headlamp bracket. I am still waiting almost 2 months, so I don't want to post videos of the Ducati because I want to have parts, and then I will post the entire series. So hello guys, so as you can see I was able to save the firings, the left and right firing. The bottom part, those bottom parts are unsavable. I was doing a plastic weld, and now I will use fiberglass and resin to support the welds, and it should be hard as rock, so the paint will not crack in those places. Also, I was doing the fix here, and now I will use, like I mentioned before, the fiberglass. So time to do this. Okay, so as you can see, the one firing is done. This will support this firing in this place, and all I have to do now is the fender and the second firing. It have to the resin have to hard, and it will take usually 24 hours to become solid, you know. Nie bij. guys, in this box I have Ducati firings. I ordered entire set from maybe not Ducati, but I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works, but you can order original parts not from Ducati, and I was able to order the entire set of original firings. We will see. They're right. Those are original firings, blah blah blah. We will see. Hope the firings are not from China. Okay, so in the short, the motorcycle after painting looked like this. I was able to save the firings. I was painting the straps. The firing was cracked here and there. So overall I think it looked very nice. It came out really nice.